Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Funky Dabo, as you guys know already. And in case you don't know, I'm Funky Daman. So today look is a Nigerian traditional wedding makeup look. So I'm trying to create this beautiful look on my friend and I hope you all enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and let me leave you sit, get a popcorn and actually enjoy the video. So guys, sit back and enjoy this video and have a beautiful weekend. See you at the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the finished look. Thank you so much, Florence, for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Please guys, don't forget to show your girl love, like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
My baby boo, I'll be a soldier for you. I'm getting better in Kung Fu. You should know I got you, and you don't need to guide me too. I'll be right beside you in anything that you do. If you ever need saving, I will be running to you.